Hey there, future moguls. Are you ready to unlock the secret to making money while you sleep? Today, I'm diving into the top 5 passive income streams for 2025 that actually work. Let's get right into it. First up, we have real estate has always been a solid investment, but in 2025, the game is even stronger. With platforms that make it easier than ever to manage properties remotely, you can earn rental income without the usual headaches. Grab a property, get a tenant, and watch that monthly cash flow roll in. Next, we have. Now, this one's a classic. Invest in companies that pay dividends, and you'll receive a portion of their profits regularly. It's like getting a paycheck just for holding on to your stocks. And with the right investments, those dividends can grow year after year. The third passive income stream is. This is where you lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. They repay you with interest, and the best part? You don't have to do any of the heavy lifting. Just invest, sit back, and watch your returns grow. Coming in at number 4 is, in 2025, creating and selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, or stock photos can be incredibly lucrative. Once you've created the product, it's out there making money for you around the clock. The best part? You only have to make it once, but you can sell it indefinitely. Finally, we have. This is perfect for those of you with a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following. By promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales, you can generate income without having to create a product yourself. It's all about leveraging your audience and finding the right partnerships. So there you have it, folks. 5 passive income streams that actually work in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned entrepreneur, these strategies can help you build wealth while you focus on what you love. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on growing your wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.